start with the beef. Choose a good quality chuck steak known for its ideal fat-to-meat ratio, ensuring a juicy patty. Trim the steak and cut it into small cubes. Freeze these for about 15 minutes to firm them up. This makes them easier to mince. Using a sharp knife or a grinder, mince the meat until it resembles coarse ground beef. Now, onto the seasoning. For every pound of meat, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Mix these into the beef gently. Overworking the meat can make the patties tough, so just combine until the seasoning is evenly distributed. Next, the buns. In a bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. In a separate jug, warm 1 cup of milk with 3 tablespoons of butter until the butter melts. Pour this into the dry ingredients, add 1 beaten egg and stir to form a soft dough. Knead this on a floured surface until smooth and elastic, about 10 minutes. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place until doubled in size, about an hour. Punch down the risen dough, divide into 6 equal parts, and shape each into a round bun. Place these on a baking tray, cover, and let rise again for about 30 minutes. Brush the buns with a mixture of an egg yolk beaten with a tablespoon of water, then sprinkle with sesame seeds if desired. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. While the buns bake, form the minced beef into patties slightly larger than your buns. They'll shrink as they cook. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and cook the patties for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side for a medium cook. In the last minute of cooking, place a slice of cheddar cheese on each patty to melt. Time to assemble your masterpiece. Slice the freshly baked buns in half. On the bottom half, spread a thin layer of mayonnaise, add a lettuce leaf, a slice of tomato, and then the cheesy beef patty. Top with a couple of pickles and the top half of the bun. In quick recap, you minced and seasoned 1 pound of chuck steak, crafted and baked your own buns with flour, milk, butter, and an egg, and assembled your burger with fresh lettuce, tomato, pickles, mayonnaise, and melted cheddar cheese. There you have it, the art of making a cheeseburger from scratch, ensuring every layer from bun to patty sings in harmony. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. This is not just a meal, it's a creation.